Hello YouTube, this is Parth Sani SD over here today. We're going to talk about how to make a dipole for yourself, and in this case the design can be of various lengths according to the amateur radio band that you want to work on. So I'm going to tell you about the 20-meter band and the 12-meter band today. So let's move on to what we are making today as the fan dipole. Traditionally, the fan dipole is built in such a way. You have the center mast over here, and then you have the different elements attached to the end depending on whatever length that you are having in. So these are attached with the insulators in the end to the wall, and they work on in the same way. So depending on your frequency you get the length. So what I'm going to tell you today is the VU3TTL version of the fan dipole. It's a bit Indian version of it. Some of the Indian hams who are listening to YouTube might be interested in this, because this is all homemade, all homebrewed, and has given me a very good SWR ratio on the respective bands. So the design goes in this way. You need to have a center post. Now what happens is, when we need to put up a center post, we need something to put it into, right, in the ground. But what happens is that it's difficult to dig into the ground and actually make everything along. So what I have done is, I have taken a paint bucket. Inside the paint bucket I have filled lots of sand, mud, and whatever I can, and finally that entire mixture is filled with cement, and the entire thing has a plastic PVC pipe coming out of it. The plastic PVC pipe is put in such a way that the entire length of the plastic pipe is greater than 15 feet. So what you will be needing is a 15 feet PVC pipe. So this 15 feet PVC pipe is going to hold up your mast up like this, and your advantage works in your favor when you know that the PVC is flexible. Now some might say that the PVC will deteriorate in sunlight. So to rectify the same thing, we just coat it with paint, regular paint that you find. Enamel paint is what I prefer personally, the spray paint variety. Then you go on with the measurements. So consider this a part of this. So this is attached. So frequency is 468 by F, where the frequency is in megahertz. Then what measurement that you get is in feet. So for the 20-meter band you have 14.2 megahertz center frequency, resonant frequency that I have chosen, and then whatever you will get is 32.96 feet for the entire length of the dipole. If you want one leg, you divide it by 2, and then you get the answer for one leg of the dipole. Then you go on to the 12-meter band. For the 12-meter band I have chosen 24.9 megahertz as the resonant frequency. So it comes out to be as 18.8 feet in total length for the dipole. And as I have said, is the good part about this, the entire dipole is flexible and is held by ropes. So these balls could be anything like hanging cable wires or something like that, which is away from the main dipole, but still can be hung by threads or some kind of rope. Nylon variety would be nice. So guys, you can see the IC718 over here. So I'll try to do an SWR test on the same. So here goes CW on 20 meters. You can see the SWR on the radio panel. So that's coming out to be at 1.5, which is pretty good. Now let's move on to the next band for the testing, that is 12 meters. So on 24.900 we can test. So let us see what's the SWR that we are getting for my design. So that part is very good. It's even less than 1.5. So I think this validates what I am saying on experimental basis. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any more comments, you can leave it down in the comment section below. Also, I'll be leaving a link to the photo of what I have made in the video description, so you can watch that. And guys, do like and subscribe if you like my channel and the videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.